Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 12, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong September 12, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, September 12, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 12, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, September 12, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of September 12, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.